Good. Let me see if I can get this link. Yo, what's up? I'm about to send this link to my Patreon real quick. If it loads. Come on, man. Just give me like a minute to set up real quick. What's up? What's up? It's only been 2 days. Happy trading. I'm not a bot. Dang. What's up? Hang on, I'm trying to send this link out, man. This thing is giving me problems. There we go. Golly. One moment. Stuff takes a minute to load. There we go. Live on YouTube. There we go. Okay. Please let this link send out. There we go. Okay. Sorry, guys. It took a while to get this stuff going. Jesus. Okay. What's up? Guys, there's a lot of trading to do today, that's for sure. I mean, if you're a day trader, you should be in paradise right now. Day trading right now, you know, is a paradise dream right now. So if you're a day trader, you should be killing it right now. No questions asked. I'm not that good at day trading, but this is what you should be waiting for if you're a day trader. This is your time to shine. There should be no excuses of why you can't make ridiculous money right now in the market. I mean, this is what people wait for, you know. There's not a lot of fundamentals going on right now. It's more about just, you know, following the hype. But I mean, I wrote down, I mean, AMC just today, 220%, BlackBerry 22%, Nokia 40%, GameStop 123, Express. Hey, I shopped at Express before. I bought some clothing from Express. They have really good clothing. Not saying it's a good company, but hey, Express is on fire as well. I'm trying to take a look at my phone right now. But the VGAC, guys, if you take a look at there's a couple articles out right now. I just wanted to wait for the confirmation of like bigger websites. It looks like they're going with like a biotech, biogenomics company. I was really surprised. Everyone was off with the Virgin Orbit. I have a couple articles up right now. I'm going to read to you real quick with the VGAC. Consumer DNA testing company 23andMe is in talks to go public through a roughly $4 billion deal with VG Acquisition Corp, a special purpose acquisition corp founded by Richard Branson, according to people familiar with the matter. The deal could be announced in a couple of weeks if talks are successful, said the people who asked not to be identified because information was a private. And guys, this is Bloomberg I'm reading off of. You can get this information right now off of Bloomberg and Seeking Alpha, both. So that's the VGAC. I mean, it was a huge spike. I heard traded, got halted. So it was insane. I'm going to look at the stock real quick just to see where it's at. People were way off of what, they expected to happen with the VGAC. It wasn't even a virgin company. So like I said, no one knows what's going on with the market, but I think it was pretty unique that they made the announcement today. I don't know how anyone else feels about that, but pretty interesting that they made the announcement today of all days with the GameStop going on right now. But if you guys take a look, it's 23andMe. There's tons of articles coming out right now about the VGAC acquisition deal. So take a look at that. If you are invested in VGAC, I mean, it's up 1% right now. It was up 18% 2 hours ago. So crazy volatility once again. But I mean, my calls are like 4 months out. So if this company does turn out to get some good, rumors, good articles, this could run a lot. But I see they do like $500 million right now, which is ridiculous. Or last year, actually, 2019, they were doing $500 million. So it looks like Richard Branson is trying to get into the, genomics realm, it looks like. So it wasn't a space company, guys. Very exciting times for sure. Let me read a couple of these. Load up on Nokia calls, 400% in a day. We need more VGAC calls, don't we? Hey, I got a lot. I mean, my calls are a while out. I'm pretty happy with the calls I was playing. I'm playing like $12 calls. They were pretty cheap. They're still pretty cheap. I'm up 40% already. So if the news turns out that this company has a lot of upside potential, I mean, this could definitely run. But I'm happy right now, up 40%. That's literally playing calls out a week from now. My portfolio today, I'm down about 4%. And the reason I'm down today big is because I'm heavily invested in BFT. Hey, people, listen, guys, I'm going to tell you right now some stocks to play on some dips. BFT is down 8% right now, guys. 8% BFT. PaySafe. This is a dip right now, guys. You can get it right now. Look at this. 8%. This is a dip that's just no one's taking advantage. I mean, I bought the dip. I did buy the dip when it was down 10%. So I snagged a couple of calls for April. I snagged a couple of calls for July. And I'm telling you, a lot of this big money out there, this stimulus money that's been sent out, as you can see, a lot of investors are putting this stuff into AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia, GameStop, Express. This is where the money is going. People are following the trends, and you obviously, a lot of people day traded this, did very well. But there's some videos out there with the SEC, looking to put like 10-day halts on some of these companies. So you got to be careful because if there's a halt, and they do put, the reason why they would put a halt on these stocks is because of they're worried about, the outcome of, people getting burned in the stock market. If there's a sell-off, they want to make sure that there's no market manipulation. They want to know why the stock's going up. So that's why they will do an investigation. So is AMC worth holding overnight? I'm not sure. I personally, if I give you guys some personal advice, this would be completely fine. All these companies to put maybe 10% of your, net worth in, and, play them all. 10% is the most I would personally play. That's just some good advice. Some people say 10% is too much. Some people will go in 100%. Got 10,000 bucks. Go $1,000 in. Go for it right now. These companies are up very big right now, so that's just some personal advice. 10%. There's no problem with that, but you just don't know what's gonna happen. But I wouldn't put more than freaking 5-10% in. There's no way. It's way too risky. But I'm gonna give you guys some dips right now. BFT is down 7-8%. Great company. I've done 10 videos on them. NEO is down 4%. They were down 5%. NEO, that's pretty damn solid. I mean, NEO already hit $67 high. You can get it right now for $58. You can start call option positions long term. Open Door Technologies is getting hit pretty hard. I mean, I just watched a video on the Redfin CEO, and he said the real estate market is hotter than it's ever been. What you guys need to understand with Open Door, they got earnings coming up, and if they're earning, obviously the earnings are going to be adjusted because of 2020, with the pandemic. But if their earnings come out a lot better than they thought they were going to be, this stock could fly in February. So just know that this one's getting hammered right now. I do have a lot of money invested. 7% is no joke. So Open Doors down 7%. Nano, I tried to get some Nano this morning, guys. This stock the dips on this stock got eaten up so fast. This thing was down 8% for 30 minutes, then it went green. Guys, people are eating up Nano Dimensions. I'm telling you, I'm playing calls out on Nano 5 months out, okay? Like I said, I'm not day trading. I'm got May, June calls on Nano. These are forever away. I'm up 160%. These calls are just getting started, guys. That Nano Dimensions, I've told people to buy heavily when it was $7-8. So that's a good one. VGAC, I already went over it. We've been buying around 12, so we should be up right now. I think some good news is going to break out with this VGAC and this biotech, biogenomics company. I haven't done a lot of research on it, guys. I can tell you that right now, but they make a lot of money. And you can take a look at the website. It's 23andMe for VGAC. That looks like it's the route that they're headed right now. 800% gains with Nano. That's crazy. I'm getting ready to hit 200 hopefully in the next week or two. Yeah, July calls would be really good. I mean, just do a little research on the company right now. You got to think right now there's not a lot of articles out on VGAC, so you have time to do research today, tomorrow, and then buying if you're going to go long term on it. But I mean, this is a new. They're saying ARK could load up the boat with Richard Branson on this one. This is definitely a possibility. Apex Technology. This was another one. Guys, listen to this. Even though Apex T 8-point technology is still down right now about 1%, this one was down about 5% this morning. The dip got eaten. It got eaten up so fast, guys. This thing lasted 1 hour. It went 6% up on the APXT, guys. That was a crazy dip. It moved super fast. There's a lot of dips still out there, guys. And I mean, I'm going to take a look at these top movers real quick. The AMC, just to give you guys a little update. AMC right now. AMC has been hovering for the past 3 hours, $15, $16, just so you guys are aware. So AMC is up 230% from last night. So if you guys did get in it last night, you made a great decision, of course. So that's just it's a wild play. You just have to do research on what the SEC is doing. If they're, if people get scared, they will pull their money out. And GameStop right now is 332, 123% gain today. That's another one. But I would rather go with the lower risk plays than go with GameStop, guys. I would rather go with BlackBerry AMC. That's just my opinion. If you want to get in today, I probably wouldn't go after GameStop. I would probably go after BlackBerry AMC. But right now, I'm not really going after these. I'm just chilling. I'll just wait for my good plays to recover. And, you know, like I said, all my calls besides like one call, I have one call out of like 15 companies right now that is coming up, which is February. Everything else is April, May, June, July. So I don't really care about a red day today. Like I said, I was wrong about the market. I told people last Friday, I said, hey, blue skies ahead, elections are over. And look, guys, this is why the market is so unpredictable. Totally wrong, okay? I thought blue skies everywhere, and look what happened. Wall Street bets took over the market in 3 days over the weekend and just caused so much chaotic, this mess, people pulling out money with good companies, loading up, chasing. I mean, it's crazy how fast the market changed, guys. So you just got to be careful out there. It's okay to go with these high-risk plays. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just a little bit more riskier doing it right now because these have ran up so heavily the past 3 days since like last Friday. So that is the risk you take entering now. Just understand that. So it's definitely okay. 10% of your income, you know, go all out, diversify a little bit, play some short-term options. But I'm really not doing it. I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with my positions right now and where I'm at. This little bit of red today, 3-4%, it doesn't really bother me. These calls I have are months out, like I said, and this is what I teach inside of my Patreon, guys. I mean, I'll put the link up real quick. We're playing slow and steady, and just give me 1 second before I say talk about slow and steady, because it sounds like I'm trading like an old man. But guys, this is not the case. Not the case at all. So when I say slow and steady, guys, I'm not talking about dividend stocks, blue chip stocks, or anything like that. Guys, I'm playing options right now. I'm playing crazy aggressive options right now, like crazy aggressive, okay? They're pretty safe, but I'm just letting you know right now, I'm playing crazy aggressive options right now. So if we're talking AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia, that's like 10 times the next level. I thought personally I was going aggressive in the market because I have a lot of, you know, older people saying, you know, options are risky, you know, blue chips, dividends, bonds, ETFs, and stuff like that. Guys, I thought I was going crazy in the market. This is some crazy shit right now in the market. This makes me look like a rookie. Like, this makes me look like a grandma, the way I'm trading right now. I look like a grandma compared to some of these cats playing GameStop, AMC. I look like a grandpa, and I never thought that would happen. And that's just the case right now. And I'm playing, guys, I got like $50,000, $60,000 in options. So what can I tell you, man? I thought I was going hard. I'm not even going hard. I'm like a caterpillar right now. Not touching these stocks. So people made a lot of money, but I'm telling you, you got to time these really good because the carpet will end. The carpet will pull. And when it pulls, I mean, nobody may never want to touch GameStop ever again. Like, it might personally ruin the company. Like, this stock could literally never be touched again. Like, people are you got to think, the BlackBerry CEO did a little post or whatever, some management with the BlackBerry. And you know what BlackBerry stated? BlackBerry said, we have absolutely no idea why our company stock is flying. Did you hear me, guys? The BlackBerry CEO said, we have no idea why our stock is flying. That's a little bit of a bad sign. Not a lot of fundamentals behind BlackBerry. Personally, this is another personal opinion, guys. I like AMC. I use AMC. I feel bad that they almost went bankrupt, but hey, I like going to the movie, so I would feel more comfortable buying into AMC than BlackBerry or GameStop and stuff like that. So just understand, these company owners and management have no idea why their stocks are going up. It's crazy times right now, guys. So it's just crazy. Like I thought literally we were gonna have a normal, slow and steady market this week, but freaking elections was nothing. I mean, I wish I could go back to elections volatility because this is scaring the hell out of people and pulling money out of good companies. Like people are, looking for their pipe dream this week to become a millionaire. And you got to understand these have already gone up 200-300%. It's pretty. Oh my God, stop. Same stops are closing. Yeah, guys, it's some scary stuff right now in the market. But I tried to get some nano this morning. Turn the music down a little bit. I had to buy a little bit of nano dimensions today. I keep trying to buy this second, guys, early in the market. I try to get in on it early. Dude, people are buying this nano dimensions before I can freaking blink. I go over to BFT, I snag some BFT, I snag some APXT 4-7 months out. I go back to nano. It's up 10% in 15 minutes. Like these people are freaking taking. You got listen to what I just said, guys. The crowd behind, the ARK Invest FOMO is not the best crowd. It's a lot of people not doing any research at all. They see ARK Invest and they just load up, and that's just the truth. And you got to think, YouTube community, I've done it. I've made videos because I bought into companies that I've done the research on. Guys, we're getting 100 videos a day. ARK has loaded this stock, and a lot of people aren't understanding that ARK is a long-term investor. Like they are investing for years in these companies. People think they're going to get rich in a month buying what ARK buys, and that's not the case. And I think that's just a bad thing we have right now with the community following ARK trends. And a lot of them don't have long-term hold mindset. And it's as you can see, a lot of these stocks are dumping because people can't wait and they're already moving on to other companies. So you guys know what the hot stocks are today. If you're trying to day trade, AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia, GameStop, Express, keep those on your radar. There's still a lot of dips out there right now. I bought a lot of dips this morning. Very solid on these recoveries. We had some solid recovery already, but just average down if you're long term on these options right now, guys. Yeah, there's some crazy rotations happening in the market. It's absolutely insane. BFT is on sale right now. I haven't looked into that penny stock that much. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, guys, there's tons of deals out there right now. I mean, it's ridiculous. Mara is down 4%. Persian Square is down 4%. APXT, that one did recover, guys. That's going to be a good company, I'm telling you. Just be patient on APXT. That's a great company. VGAC is right on the borderline right now. There's going to be a lot of videos coming out on that one tonight. Watch. There's going to be a lot of YouTubers doing videos. I'm still bullish on all the companies that I've been recommending, guys. I think a lot of these companies are going to come to the top in the next 6 months. And I'm very excited for these options to start kicking in. And that's what it's all about, getting in early on your options and holding through the ups and downs. And Elon is not going to say anything about BFT or APXT. He did that about GameStop and the Reddit as a joke. He's just joking around. They're just messing around, guys. I think it's funny. Yeah, is that the Jaguar? I haven't really looked into that one. That one's doing good, I think. Yeah, the Jaguar Health. Yeah, that one's down a lot. Holy crap. Be a definitely good buying opportunity because I think this one hit like 360. So that's almost a $1 drop. That's a good buy right now if you've done the research, of course. But a lot of companies that I have been recommending are doing well, that I've been recommending for months, guys. Like I've been recommending Workhorse, Fuel Cell, Lordstown, Virgin Galactic, guys, these companies are doing amazing today. Workhorse is up 16%. Fuel Cell's up 9%. Lordstown's up 6%. I think Virgin Galactic might be the winner today. I had probably 50 to 100 people buying in on Virgin Galactic and holding. They're up 26%. Guys, they're at $53. Everyone knew this would happen eventually, but this thing's been on a rip. Oh my God, 18 to 52 in 3 months. It's insane. Yeah, I think the 23andMe. I just did a little bit of research, and I'm telling you, Richard Branson knows what he's doing. That's the best thing, to say. I mean, this is a $4 billion deal, guys. $4 billion deal. This is not a tiny SPAC. This is one of the bigger SPACs out there, and this is a stock that ARK could potentially go after. So yeah, I think the VGAC. Take a look at the 23andMe. I'm going to hold. I think this is going to pick up over the next couple of months. I think it's probably it could be a better buy than Nano, Bongo. I mean, all of these right now. These could be some good buys right now. Should we buy Open Door? If you're going to buy Open Door, if this drops, they're going to get. Oh man, yeah, that's scary. If they suspended trading where people can't sell, are they not allowed to sell? That's crazy. Yeah, but Open Door, if you want to buy Open Door, you gotta just buy Open Door way past where you can get 2 earnings reports in, because I'm telling you, the real estate market, guys, I'm looking for a property right now, and the real estate market is hot. When I say hot, I'm in Florida. I don't know where you're at. These sell like hotcakes. Significantly overpriced, $300,000-$400,000 houses. These are selling in 3 to 5 days, guys. 1 second. Let me turn this song off. Golly. Jeez, they cannot play music today. Yeah, guys, the real estate market is hot. If you're buying Open Door, try to play an option where you can get, like, if you want to play options, play an option where you can get like 2 earnings reports in. So try to buy like June, July options where, I think this year they're going to have some really good numbers. And I don't think their 2020 numbers are going to be that bad. I mean, I really don't think it's going to be that possible. Yeah, Redfin, God, I love that website. I wouldn't look at Zillow ever, guys. I look at Zillow, the company, just to look for houses. That company has so much clutter, houses on there that don't make any sense at all, that have been on there. They don't take them off. Redfin, so you're looking for property, guys. Redfin is like amazing. I mean, they are on the point of like brand new houses. They take them off when they're getting sold. 3D views in the house, market comparisons, your county's trends of how fast the houses are selling. Redfin is just, I'm not saying it's a good buy right now because it's really high, but using the company to like look for property is amazing. That's all I use is Redfin. But Open Door, I think, is a good buy if you're buying like 4 to 7 months out on options. I really think this one is going to, kick up. Once again, ARK did buy this one. Once again, this is, me like doing that little hype trend. But I mean, they've loaded a lot of shares in this company, guys, like a lot of shares. I think 4 million shares. They know something cooking up that we might not know. How market trends are going to play out with the real estate market, forbearances, I'm not sure, but I think they're going to do amazing over time. I did buy a little stock on that one as well. So I think if you're going options, go long on the options, get your money. GameStop. Yeah, I mean, GameStop was a great buy maybe last Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. Geez, I mean, buying today is like crazy, guys. I mean, I wouldn't recommend buying GameStop right now. If you want to buy like one of the other companies that are just getting started for some swing trades overnight. You got to think you're going to get a lot of pump from Webull. Webull is really what's making these stocks fly, guys. Those after-hour trading, that's where the big money comes in. So Webull is definitely what's bringing these stocks up. It's the Express, GameStop, Nokia, BlackBerry, AMC right now. BFT April, depending on a merger announcement. I personally think, we might not even need like a merger date for this thing to get over 20, but I think, closer to the merger, I would go with about 30 on the BFT. And I'm just thinking BFT is one of the better companies, and I don't think retail investors such as such as myself will take this company to the next level. I think it'll be some small, not hedge funds, but small institutions loading up on BFT. And I think this is going to be one of the better ones, like, SBE pre-merger, QuantumScape. I'd say easily $30 for BFT in April. So $30 is definitely some solid price points. And once again, if you're thinking long term, which, I mean, that's not really long term, guys. That's like 3.5 months out. If you're just thinking 3-4 months out, you don't have problems with these 6% dips that are just so unnecessary. And all it is day traders or people that don't have a lot of money. They're taking their money out because they're trying to move their money into, hotter stocks like, GameStop and stuff. So that's what's happening right now. Seeing a lot of people pull their money out. And yeah, Palantir, I've been recommending Palantir since $9. I've been putting the calls out for 4 months. So we are killing it on Palantir as well. So there's a lot of companies out there that are good companies. VGAC or APXT, I'll go with BFT over both of those. APXT second, just because VGAC, I don't really know a lot about it yet, but I do know this is an up and coming sector, kind of like Nano Dimensions with the printing. This is like a totally different route, like a different sector. And guys, this company makes crazy money. This 23andMe, and we're talking $500 million 2 years ago. Their numbers haven't came out for 2020. This might be a potential $750 million revenue company. I don't know. They don't have an investor presentation up that I've seen yet, but I mean, I'm holding my calls. Oh my God. Yeah, you were going hard a couple months ago, man, getting in those early. 400% already. I would never sell those. It's just getting started. What's your BFT price target? Yeah, like I said, I feel very comfortable going with $30 on BFT and around hopefully around merger time. Which merger time? They're predicting before April from what they said. So they are predicting before April Q1. Beginning of April. So if there's a delay, I mean, it could go to May, June. This is definitely possible. I have those calls as well. I have July calls. And by the end of the year, I know this is some long-term investing. I really I know we got to always show the gains for people to understand. A lot of people just say gains. Guys, this stock could see $40, $50 by the end of the year. I mean, this is definitely possible. I mean, easily. I mean, people start understanding what this company really does. I mean, it's just one I feel very comfortable with. It just makes me sleep really good at night, knowing that I own it and knowing that no one can make me sell it. And I, believe it or not, I have more money invested in stocks on BFT than options. So I have way more money in stocks than options on BFT, which I really like. I'm bullish on SoFi too. I've been waiting for it to come down. And I mean, guys, if the IPOE goes down to like 16, I'll probably put like $5,000 in it. I'm surprised. This one's holding up a lot nicer in BFT. I'm very surprised on SoFi, but I really wish IPOE SoFi would come down. This thing just, I mean, it's coming down over the past week from 23, but it looks like it'll have some support around 17. I might be a buyer at 17, but I'd rather just go hard on BFT while IPOE is a lot higher. Persian, yeah, South Carolina. I see this guy saying this. The South Carolina housing market is crazy. Guys, I don't know where you're living, but Florida, oh my God. Guys, listen to this. this is a little cool story. A couple of months ago, I went to look at a property that was, it was kind of like a fixer upper. It wasn't a crazy property. I think it was, I don't even remember how much it was. It was like maybe 200,000. It wasn't that nice in Florida because it had like damage, and they had a pricing on it, right? I don't know. They were asking like whatever, and I said, hey, I'm really happy to give you guys this price. I did a little research. I'm very comfortable. I'm willing to pay cash. So yes, guys, I was willing to pay cash as well, no financing. And then the lady said, she said, hey, that's really great. We have 37 offers right now, so make sure to submit your offer by midnight. And she said, and 20 of them are cash as well. Good luck. I was like, damn, I had some money. Guys, there's some investors out here that have been dying to get properties in Florida. Like, they will do anything. They will take a property. They will take a property from you so quickly with cash. Financing at this point, if you're trying to get a on financing, they want straight cash. And let's see, guys, I don't know how. Please don't exclamation point at me right now about hyliion. I don't want to get into that right now. I'm not holding it. I've been telling people for like 3-4 months I'm not holding it, but it's almost at $20. That's all I can say. So sold to Palantir for 300% gains. Very solid. Yeah, Express is like a clothing brand. I bought from Express a long time ago, but yeah, it's like a clothing brand. It's like jeans, like nice clothes, nice t-shirts. It's pretty much not a good company to buy into right now, but it's getting super trendy on these Reddit forums. It's kind of a day trading play. I mean, I'll look it up for you real quick. Express. Let's see. Express. I think it's up like 200% today. Yeah, it's up like 200%. Express. Yep. It went insane. If you guys bought it this morning, you made a lot of money. Or bought it last night, you made a lot of money. So congrats. Just be careful. Is that the Bridgetown? Yeah, the Bridgetown. That's a good one. I think I recommended it once. That's a good company. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, guys, what I personally think is going on with the market is, we got these newer platforms like Webull, Robinhood, a lot of new investors in the market, guys. A lot of these new investors are following good companies, good trends, but the problem is people are pulling their money out. They're pulling their stimulus money out. Younger people with extra money, they're taking thousands of bucks out of these good companies, and they're loading up into GameStop and AMC and stuff like that. And guys, I mean, GameStop took over hedge funds. So if hedge funds are putting $2-3 billion on puts and stuff like that, think about how much money's going into these call options, guys. We're talking $5 billion plus, maybe more, maybe double. We're talking people are, millions of people are putting in billions of dollars, So like I said before, 10% of your, assets, your equity, whatever, it's okay to figure out some of these day trading plays to do. That's what I would roll with. But anything further than that, that's a little aggressive to go over 10% of your money. I've had multiple people, say they went 100% all in on, GameStop this morning. I mean, that's some serious stuff. You cannot go 100% on GameStop now that it's at 350. That's not a smart investment. So I'd rather be in the red a teeny bit today than, getting the rug pulled out from me on some of these plays. And it's a big gamble. I thought I was going aggressive in the stock market. But it looks like I'm not even going aggressive. It looks like I'm a grandpa in the stock market right now, the way I'm just trading up some nice little options. So I thought I was investing crazy, but I guess I'm not investing crazy at all. It looks like I'm playing it safe. So I don't really want to go any further. I don't want to go more aggressive than what I'm doing right now. I feel like I'm going pretty hard in the market right now on my options. Guys that have like $50,000-$60,000 in options, another 80,000 in stocks. I mean, I'm trying to cool it. I want this week to get by. I'm already looking forward to next week. I want this stuff to slow down. Maybe they do some trading, halts for a week or two on some of these stocks to just slow down the market, allow everyone to regroup. I wouldn't mind if that happens. I don't want anyone to get stuck holding the bag. If they do that, you should be able to fairly trade in and out of these stocks if you want to play BlackBerry, AMC, Nokia, GameStop, Express. You should be able to get in and out of these whenever you want. Yep, the pigs get turned into pork belly. Took some crazy profits. Yeah, guys, this cannot last forever. It's not a lot of fundamentals behind these companies right now. There's not a lot of acquisitions, increased revenue, mergers. There's not a lot of that happening right now. So just wanted to give you guys an update. Mainly the biggest thing about this video was to give you guys the VGAC rumors. You're going to see Bloomberg. You're going to see Seeking Alpha. So the articles are coming out about VGAC. Everyone was totally wrong. No Virgin Orbit, no Virgin brand at all. So no one had a clue this was coming. It looks like this is pretty much confirmed at this point from these articles because the deal is valued around $4 billion. So that's the main reason why I just did this quick live for you guys and to give you guys, a little in-depth of, how to handle these big Reddit runners in the market right now. Got a couple of them written down. So if you want to get in, try not to play more than 10% of your money, guys, just to play it safe. You want to be a smart investor, and options already on some of these plays I'm telling you guys to play are already pretty aggressive. Okay. So, it's okay to be aggressive, but you don't want to go on a suicide mission with all of your money, $1,000, 10,000, 50,000. You don't want to go on a suicide mission with all of your money. You want to be a smart investor. And like I said, I'm pretty patient. The days will come where the big green comes. So I'm not really worried about 3% losses today in the stock market portfolio. It's all good. So just be safe. Do a little research on the VGAC. Look for those dips in the market, and you should be doing pretty solid. Once again, I want to say thanks for everyone that joined this quick live. I really appreciate it. I might do another YouTube video later today covering some opportunities in the stock market, to be buying on dips. So thanks for joining. I'll catch y'all later. Have a great day.